Hello again everyone and welcome back to my channel. I will be demonstrating on how to do smoky gel nails, which will be a combination of using regular and gel polish. Here I am applying Wet n Wild's black cream color polish as the base. Gel black polish may also be used, but in this case I wanted to use regular black polish. Always begin with the smallest finger. It is the main manicuring rule. You always want to lightly paint the tip of the nails, then swiftly paint the rest. After I've applied the black polish over my nails twice, I remove the excess polish with my French manicure brush with pure acetone. Now that they are fully dried, which took around 10 minutes, I apply a thin coat of Born Pretty Soak Off gel polish over the dried polish. Here I will apply a very light coat. Now removing the gel around the cuticles. Then I cure for around 30 seconds. With a 91% rubbing alcohol and a disposable makeup sponge, I will rub off the tacky gel layer off of my nails. I pour some pure acetone within the round small well within a plastic paint tray art palette. Then I use COSCELIA's white gel polish and poured around 6 drops of the white gel polish. With a slanted art brush, I begin mixing the gel polish with pure acetone to create the right consistency. Lightly applying the brush over the nail in a somewhat squiggly order, moving upwards, then reapplying the white gel over it lightly while letting the white gel polish run down a bit. This technique does not have to be perfect. It mostly takes some practice with time. You don't even have to swipe the brush before going over the nail. You can just pick up and use the gel and wiggle the brush a bit just as it runs. The more I go over with the white gel, the more it somewhat perfects the smoky look. Remember, you go in and you just create a very light swiggle, well not swiggle, but you just wiggle the brush over the nails. That's all you have to do. It's mainly a repetitive technique. Then I rinse the brush with pure acetone just to clean off the gel polish. Now cleaning the cuticles. Curing the white gel. I'll be using my custom-made regular jelly polishes to go over my nails. To see how I made these custom jelly polishes, follow the link in the video description down below to view how they were made in one of my videos. I go over the smallest nail with the blue tinted polish. I wiggle the brush to add some consistency. Now I begin to do the same with each nail, with the rest of the other jelly polishes. When doing this, I did not need to go over the entire nail. I would only have to go over the white gel polish. You just wiggle a bit and that's it. Again, removing excess polish. Reapplying Born Pretty Soak Off Gel Polish. I then cured to secure the design. Now removing the tacky layer. And here are my smoky gel nails that were created with regular and gel polish. And here are some extra images of my smoky gel nail manicure. Alright, that was it for this video. If you liked watching this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more future content. And leave a comment down below as well for a shout out. And would just like to say bye-bye. And y'all take care now.